Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a purifying face wash powder using activated charcoal and flaxseed powder as a base. I saw charcoal based face washes in the shops and wanted to make it at home with natural ingredients. But suddenly, I got the idea of making charcoal based face wash powder instead of soap based face wash. And this face wash powder turned out to be wonderful. There are only 3 ingredients in this recipe, and you don't even need any other extra ingredient to mix it with. You can just mix it with water and it'll work really well. This recipe also will work well for both oily and dry skin with a slight modification. The other ingredient, apart from activated charcoal and flaxseed powder, is multani mitti. Activated charcoal and multani mitti draws out impurities very effectively, unclogs pores, removes blackheads and whiteheads, and also cleanses the skin well, resulting in smooth, supple, and even-toned skin. If your skin is exposed to dirt, toxins, and chemicals on a regular basis, I would highly suggest using this face wash powder. Using multani mitti and activated charcoal alone will dry out the skin, so I included flaxseed powder. Flaxseed powder conditions the skin well, so it is very important to add it to the recipe too. For the recipe, take 2 parts multani mitti in a bowl. Add in half part activated charcoal powder to it. Finally, add in 1 part finely ground flaxseed powder. Now mix well with a spoon. Make sure to mix well till all the ingredients are combined well together. When grinding flax seeds, make sure to grind very finely so you have a smooth powder. I usually grind my own flaxseed powder, but you can also buy finely ground flaxseed powder from the shops too. Once mixed well, store it in a glass bottle at room temperature. To use, take the required amount of powder in a bowl. Now add in water to mix. Now mix well till you get a smooth paste. The paste should be smooth and free of lumps like this. This paste tends to thicken the longer you leave it, so mix it into a slightly thinner paste if you're not going to use it immediately. To use, take the paste and apply it on the face and neck. Massage for a few seconds and then wash it off. You can use this face wash powder weekly twice or thrice. This powder tends to get lumpy while mixing it with water due to multani mitti. To avoid it, I have 2 suggestions. The first is sieving the powder before storing. The second is adding water in one go. This helps prevent lumps greatly. The recipe I've given is ideal for all skin types except very dry skin. For very dry skin, you can use 2 part flaxseed powder, 2 part multani mitti and half part activated charcoal powder. This powder will last well at room temperature for weeks together. Just make sure to keep it away from moisture. This powder will greatly help treat acne too. My skin was unbelievably soft and radiant after using this face wash powder. This powder can be used by people of all ages except children. With regular weekly twice usage, you'll find that you no longer suffer from whiteheads and blackheads, and also you'll rarely suffer from breakouts too. The skin also will be very radiant and soft. Do give it a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.